InVideo.ai is the best video creation tool available, designed to help users, including those without advanced video editing skills, produce professional quality videos. Let's dive into its features and capabilities. Key features. 1. Pre-made templates. InVideo provides thousands of customizable templates for different video formats, including social media posts, ads, and presentations, making it easy to create videos quickly. 2. AI-powered text-to-video. One of its standout features is turning articles or scripts into videos using AI. Users simply input text, and InVideo generates a video by selecting relevant images, clips, and animations. The platform includes access to stock footage, music, and images, many of which are free or available through partnerships with stock libraries like iStock. Its drag-and-drop interface is intuitive, making it suitable for beginners and experienced editors alike. Users can collaborate with team members on video projects, leaving comments and revisions in real time. Branding options. InVideo allows users to customize their videos with their brand colors, logos, and fonts to maintain consistency. Multilingual support. The platform supports multiple languages, which is helpful for international users or those targeting different regions. Export options. You can export videos in various resolutions, including HD and Full HD, and in formats suitable for social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Pricing. InVideo offers a free version that comes with watermarked exports, access to a limited library of assets, and a cap on monthly exports. The business plan, priced around $15 per month, removes the watermark, offers premium assets, and increases the number of video exports. For $30 per month, the unlimited plan offers unlimited exports, access to all premium stock content, and higher-level features for more extensive use. Pros: easy to use. Even beginners can create high-quality videos thanks to its templates and AI tools. Affordable pricing. Compared to other video editing software, InVideo is relatively inexpensive, especially given its extensive features. Versatile. It's suitable for creating everything from short social media clips to longer presentations or ads. Collaboration features. Great for teams or content creators who work in groups. Cloud-based, no need to download heavy software, and videos can be edited on the go. Cons: limited customization for advanced editors. While it's great for beginners, professional video editors may find it limiting compared to more advanced software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. Watermark on free plan. The free plan comes with a watermark on exports, which may not be suitable for professional use. Occasional bugs. Some users report minor bugs or slower performance when handling larger video projects. Best for small businesses looking to create marketing videos, social media influencers and content creators, teams that need collaboration features, beginners who need an easy template-driven platform. Overall, InVideo.ai is a powerful and user-friendly video creation tool, offering excellent value for businesses and individuals looking to produce videos quickly without extensive technical skills. However, those looking for detailed control or high-end professional editing may need more advanced software.